going for 2 hours 15 now. Here's a big open section. Been going for 2 hours 45 minutes. Just coming up on Maymorn Saddle. Bit of a junction here where you can go left to Kapakapanui hut, you can go right to Renata hut and Elder hut. Just coming down to the next sign, got the Kapakapanui hut turn off. Looks like the road continues further down to Otaki Forks. Okay, I've turned left off the road. Going to check out the track towards Kapakapanui hut. That track looks pretty cool so far. It's 1:10 in the afternoon. Just had my lunch. As you can see, I've made a bit of a rain shelter. It's just raining lightly, but it's nice to be dry. You can see I'm fully enclosed here. So I turned left and came up towards Kapakapanui. I didn't come up too far, but found some nice spot to have lunch. Very glad to be dry. So here we have it, lunch spot. Nice hot cup of coffee. Getting back to the car now. The rain has stayed away, which is great. Apart from this light, just misty rain. Maymorn Saddle.